Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so we are going to get underway with the first of 4 example problems. At the end of this video, you will see Mr. Camilleri getting on the dance floor and busting some dance moves, so please stay till the very end of the video and watch all 4 demonstrations. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so our first example problem is x plus 3 equals 10, and we need to find the value of x. So our first step here is we have to combine like terms. We got to get the 3 on the other side of the equal sign. Now the way we can get the 3 on the other side of the equal sign, so we have x standing alone on one side of the equal sign, is we have to do the opposite of addition. Because the problem is x plus 3 equals 10, we got to take away 3. So we got to do minus 3 over here. So now we have x equals 10 minus 3. Ten minus 3 equals 7. So x is equal to 7. And we now have our final answer. X equals 7. Alright, so we are on the second example problem now. The numbers are a little bit different, but the strategy is exactly the same. X plus 4 equals 8, and we need to find the value of x. First step is we have to get the like terms. Like terms means terms that we can add and subtract on the same side of the equal sign. X plus 4 equals 8, so we need to get x alone on one side of the equal sign. And because this is an addition problem, we're going to get 4 on the other side of the equal sign by doing the opposite of addition. So we're going to subtract 4. So now we have x equals 8 minus 4. So to find the value of x, all we have to do is subtract 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4, that's basic math for pretty much everybody here. 8 minus 4 equals 4, so x equals 4. That is our answer to problem number 2. Alright, so we are now on example number 3, x minus 1 equals 9. So first step, we got to get the like terms on the same side of the equal sign, and we do that by doing the opposite of whatever the operation is. Since this is a subtraction problem, to get the 1 on the other side of the equal sign, we have to add the 1. Plus 1 over here, plus 1 over here. So now we have x equals 9 plus 1. So to find out the value of the x, the very last thing we have to do is just add 9 plus 1 together. 9 plus 1 equals 10. So x equals 10. And remember, to get a number on the other side of the equal sign, we do the opposite of whatever the operation is. So if it's a subtraction problem, we add. If it's an addition problem, we subtract. All right, ladies and gentlemen, final example. So the last example is x minus 3 equals 5. So again, the first step, we got to get the like terms, the terms that we could add or subtract on the same side of the equal sign. And we do that by doing the opposite of whatever the operation is. Since this is a subtraction problem, that means that we have to add the 3 to get it on the other side of the equal sign. So we now have x equals 5 plus 3. So to find out the value of x, final step is to add 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 equals 8. And x equals 8. All right, ladies and gentlemen, and as episode 5 of the Mr. Camilleri Show comes to a close, as I said earlier in the episode, I'm going to end episode 5 by breaking down a few dance moves. Stay tuned. And that is a wrap for episode 5. Thank you all for tuning in. I'll see you next time.